How to delete your Facebook page or remove your Facebook page permanently. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can remove or delete your Facebook page permanently. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, simply make sure you have updated the Facebook app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in Facebook. Go ahead and simply either download or update the Facebook app to the latest version. Once you've updated Facebook, I'm going to open it. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. Now the very first thing we will do is, right on top you'll be able to see this flag icon. What you have to do is simply go ahead and tap on this flag icon. Once you tap on this flag icon, you'll be able to see a list of all of these options over here. What you have to do is simply select a page which you want to delete. Let me select this dummy page, for example. Once you select a page that you might want to delete, you'll be able to see this kind of interface. What you have to do is, on the very top right hand side, you can simply see this gear icon. So what you got to do is tap on this gear icon that you see. As you tap on the gear icon, what you have to do is select the first option which says General. So go ahead and simply tap on General. Once you go to General again, you'll be able to see all of these options. We want to scroll down to the bottom and you'll find this button which says Remove Page. You can see it says Permanently Delete App Guide, which is your page. So you could simply tap on it once. Once you tap on Permanently Delete, at the very top you'll be able to see this pop-up which says Deleting a page is permanent. Once you've deleted a page, you will not be able to get it back. So go ahead and simply tap on this button which says Delete Page. As soon as you tap on Delete Page, you can see it says your page has been deleted. And this is how you can delete or permanently delete your Facebook page. I hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.